Hi everyone, I'm Amanda Blanks and welcome to the Shoes of Hollywood channel. I have a gorgeous pair of pleaser high heels to show you. They have UV reactive pink lightning bolts. Let me get these out. So they are the ADORE-709 7-inch high heels. Pleaser has the most amazing packaging with these beautiful little butterflies. There's a butterfly keyhole there. And each shoe comes individually wrapped, so that they're all in good condition. If they've been traveling, you can use these again if you want. They're made really nicely. Let's have a look. Woo! So as you can see, there's this 3D lightning bolts on there. So they're not just in, they're actually like quite textured, as you can see. And then under black lights, they're really going to shine and show up because they're UV reactive. They are amazing, and they're a 7-inch heel with a lovely platform at the front, so it's going to be super comfortable if you're wearing them all night. And the other one, oh yes, Pleaser always comes with this little travel bag, and it has a nice bit of foam in between to keep your shoes separated so they're not going to get scratched or anything if you're traveling, or if you want to use this bag for anything else, you can put your swimmers in there or something. And here is the other one. We are fighting the wind today a little bit, guys, so I hope you can hear me. And I just love how they're really packaged really nicely because you know it's a quality shoe that you're going to get. Let me just put this lid back on so all the packaging doesn't fly away. So yeah, it's the ADORE-709. And let me just run you through this sole because I think all of the Adores, I could be wrong, come with this really nice velvet squishy sole. So your feet over time will mold into that memory foam, and it's super soft, super comfortable, has an adjustable ankle strap. I just love these. Oh, and the grippy bottom, so you're not going to slide around. That's a really important part. So let's put these on. And I'm going to do the fourth tightest one, so I will feel really nice and secure in there. So they're a 7-inch heel. Oh, they feel so good. All right, let's go for a little walk. And as you can see, we're outside today at this beautiful little lake. There's some duckies down there, as you can see. I should have brought some food for them to feed them so we could coax them over. But yes, it is a really nice day, and we're getting a bit out of winter at the moment, which is super good. So we can film some more things outside. It's not as hot here in Brisbane. They're really easy to walk in. The platform at the front definitely helps. And look where I am. I'm on this big stage. Super cool. I could sing on here, dance. And I just love the lightning bolts. They will definitely shine under the lights, and especially UV lights. Really, really cute. So we're just going to have a little bit more of a walk. And if you're liking these videos, make sure you click like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss any videos. I'm just going to have a little walk down the stairs and across onto the other platform. So this is the ADORE-709 7-inch heel. I've been walking okay in these. I'm pretty sure 7 or 8 inches, like as big as I go. enjoyed watching me walk in these shoes. I'm going to sit down and take them off now. And I really apologize for the wind. I hope you can still hear me. We are battling the elements today. There we have it, guys, the 7-inch ADORE-709 with the pink and white UV reactive lightning bolts. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Amanda from Shoes of Hollywood, and we'll see you next time.